Hi, welcome back to a tiny update, a bit of a late night one really. I've got a few things cooking in front of the stove. One of my, the oil cooler bracket has been put into full paint. I've got a bumper bracket that's warming nicely in front of the fire. My registration plate inner bracket off the front bumper is all in galvanized paint, and that's come out really well. I'm going to leave all the battle marks on it because that presumes part of the history. It won't be shown. Going outside, I'm doing a little bit of alchemy. Got a few things going on here. Have to be quiet because it is late at night. I've got a little bit of a burner effect going on. It's an old kidney bean can with some parts in, and a small tea light that's gently keeping it warming overnight. And that's got the citric acid and some flow liner in it. The rubber off the bumper bracket is cooking away nicely. I've got part of the body kit bracket that's in the Hammerite Cure Rust. That was so rusty. Seriously, that was so rusty. Sorry, camera was off. That was so rusty. But all these parts are totally obsolete. You just can't find them anywhere. So this is the inner rubber of the bracket that's in the little cooking pan over there. It's I presume it's some sort of first stage bunk guard. Quite a thick piece of rubber. I don't know if you can see it there. My hands are full of citric acid and sticky as buggery. But just shows you what lengths you go to restore your car. So I'll show you that again if I can actually put my light on. Can you see that bubbling away? It's brilliant. It's really bubbling away. That's again, that's the bumper, one of the internal bumper brackets, which I'm doing over here. It fastens onto these internal connectors, bolts. Gonna have a really good go at sorting the front bumper out before that goes into storage. But just goes to show you the amount of rust that these cars accumulate over the years. I mean, it is 40 years old, and thank God for a couple of Heinekens that can do a bit of late night restoration, and that's what it's all about, I suppose. It's commitment to get my old girl back on the road. So there you go, just a quick update. Take care.